Hello everyone, this is Mansi Rawat and I'm so glad that I have attended CA Rahul Garg's revision batch, which is basically held on 25th of September at Delhi. So I was his PD student, and from seeing him is on a screen to interacting with face to face was literally different kind of a feeling. And trust me, it was not just a revision batch, it's like a full conceptual clarity batch. So I have no words for Rahul Garg sir. हम सोचते इतने लंबे आवर्स की सेटिंग्स कैसे दे पढ़ने के लिए, एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू राहुल गर्ग सर हु जस्ट टुक स्टेट 10-hour session with short breaks, and he's such a humble, such a supportive and down to earth person. Even his wife Shikha ma'am is so supportive, having a great management skill, so I'm so happy. And thank you to Rahul Garg sir and Shikha ma'am to conducting this wonderful sessions. Thanks a lot.